Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to drawing. Today I got another special request. This one's for an AEC Routemaster. So we're just gonna get straight to it. Very simple stuff. Most people, I'm sure, are aware of this. What an AEC Routemaster is. Yeah, it's very standard part of the way we all live. Very easy to understand. It's just fairly straightforward in general. I don't think I'll be able to fit the whole thing in the picture because it's such an advanced piece of kit, but it's really very simple. So we just gotta keep going with it, do what we can, and see how we go from there. I think this is looking good already, so then we want to go this way. Like my car video, I'm going to add a 3D effect to this one. You can see very well done. Very good skill to have in drawing. You can really make a lot of your drawings stand out through basic techniques. As demonstrated here. Really pushing the limits of the yeah. Okay. Yep. I think it's looking good so far. Then we want to then we're gonna add. Yeah, this is another colored special. It's starting to get less special though because I just keep using color now. Don't worry, we'll return to normal in due time. You don't need to worry too much. Yeah, keep it going. Oh, and can't forget that last little red bit I missed. There we go. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to catch your daily AEC Routemaster, because you're gonna miss your appointment.